In this quick guide, we're going to show you how you can record your iPhone screen. If this video does help you out, please like the video and subscribe for even more iPhone tips just like this. It really does help out the channel. First things first, go ahead and open up the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your iPhone. From here, go ahead and hold down on this page and then tap the Add a Control button or the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Scroll down on this page until you find the screen recording option. If you can't find it for whatever reason, just simply go ahead and type in screen recording just like so, and you'll find it right here. Go ahead and click on that icon. And then when you go back to your main control center, you should see it in here. You just simply can drag this around to place it wherever you would like. But once you're done with this, simply tap out of this section and then just press and hold on the screen recording option to see a bunch of different options. You can record with the microphone off, you can go ahead and record to a specific app, change where it's saving to, and stuff like that. It's really as simple as that though. To actually end that screen recording, just simply swipe down to open up the control center again and click on that screen recording button and you're good to go. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Have a great day.